we're the Century Strikers. We're from Lincoln Middle School in Mount Prospect, Illinois. To find our creative solution, we interviewed seniors at the Frisbee Senior Center in Mount Prospect, Illinois, or in Des Plaines, Illinois, I'm sorry. And we interviewed seniors from around our neighborhoods, and we found out that reading medicine labels was a very big issue for them. So that is what our creative solution is about.
Rats! What's wrong with you today, Bob? Another gutter ball?
I can't see the pins. I don't understand it. I took my medication today. At least I think I took the right one. With my bad vision, I must have taken my blood pressure medicine instead of my vision medication. Here, we'll help you find the medication you're supposed to be taking. We can't have you bowling like that in the tournament.
Which is the right medicine?
Not me.
I can't read them either.
We couldn't help overhearing your predicament.
My grandfather had the same problem, so we interviewed some seniors from Frisbee Senior Center and around the neighborhood to gain some research, and we found out that this issue is common.
Did you know that Woodstow.org said that there are 40 million seniors in the U.S. and 83% of them take medication?
And a little over half of those seniors have taken the wrong medication. That's 20 million seniors potentially misreading their medicine levels.
That's why we decided to create an application that will make it easier for seniors to take their medication correctly.
The application scans a QR code your pharmacist puts on your medicine label. It then displays the information on your tablet screen in a large, easy-to-read font.
What in the world are these kids talking about? QR code? You guys are such old folks. Today I read on my computer on mobilebarcodes.com that a QR code go like that to holds information. Each pen can hold up to 7,000 characters of data.
Correctamundo, compadre.
Is this application called Mediscan? I think I had that on my iPad.
Yes, how'd you hear about medicine?
Well, a couple of weeks ago, I had to have my daughter take me to the ER because I was feeling so bad. And it turns out it was because I wasn't taking the right medication because I couldn't read the labels.
While doing research at comfortkeepers.com, we learned that 30% of all hospital admissions are due to seniors like you misreading medicine labels.
And when my doctor found out that I was in the hospital, she recommended Mediscan. I've been using it ever since.
So, how do you scan the QR code?
It's simple. You just hold your smart device's camera over the QR code on your medicine label, then press the Take Medicine button.
This is the Neato app. It's been a lifesaver for me. And if I can't find my glasses, I simply press the speak button and it will speak the information to me.
Jasper Smith, Cartazep 4 times a day. Take with water.
Pretty cool, right?
Hold on. This application can tell and show your prescription medicine information?
That's right. It can also keep track of the date and time you take your medicine, and stores the information in a log.
What's the point of putting information in the log?
While talking to pharmacist Jerry Kerbeck at Heartland Healthcare, we learned that keeping a log could potentially save you, the drug companies, and the insurance companies millions of dollars.
You know, sometimes my friends and I forget to take our medicine.
You guys are not alone. Through our research at assistedliving.com, we found out that 58% of all seniors agreed to take their medication.
That's why Mediscan has a built-in medication helper. It will ring and blink if you've forgotten to take your medication.
It can also warn you if you've already taken your medication.
All this new technology scares the heebie-jeebies out of me. Say, can I use this on my desktop computer?
Does your computer have a webcam?
Yes, I just got it for my grandkids.
You can use our application on your computer.
Cool.
We showed our application to the folks at Frisbee Senior Center in Des Plaines. They found the application easy to use and appreciated that we had a built-in tutorial for when they had questions.
My cousin is blind, and he has this box that just reads his medicine labels to him. But your guy's app does so much more, and I can take it anywhere I want.
That's right. According to abledata.com, there are products that read medicine labels and that make the font larger on the medicine bottle. But there's nothing out there that does what Mediscan does.
And since it's a software product, we can easily add new features as users request them.
This is really neat. So how do I get Mediscan?
Mediscan is available on the Apple App Store, the Android Market, and the Mediscan website.
And your local senior center may have a site license, so you may be able to get it for free.
I downloaded Mediscan while you guys were talking and have it already set up. It was really easy.
Then take your medication.
I already did.
So how's your vision?
Crystal clear.
Strike!
Thank you for watching our presentation. We have a prototype of our application that we made in Keynote, so it's not fully functional, but sorry, you can see the features of the app.
So you guys had a lot of statistics. Where'd you get your information from?
You guys can come closer.
Can you repeat that?
You guys stated a lot of statistics. What were some of the sources of your information?
We shared we went to Frisbee Senior Center in Des Plaines and went to seniors around our neighborhood and in our family, and we found that the biggest issue they had was reading medicine labels. And then we also interviewed many other seniors, around 100.
We also used websites. We had like comfortkeepers.com, poisoncontrol.com, mobilebarcodes.com, and assistedliving.com.
We also talked with pharmacists, nurses, and physical therapists.
And a software engineer to help us with the flowing of the app.
Did you guys have a specific senior partner?
Yes, our senior partner right there.
Thank you. You don't look old enough to be a senior partner. I am. And who is the senior partner?
Her name's Anne.
And how do you know her? You touched on it in your presentation, but would you tell me again? You researched applications that are already out there, and what did you find that's already available, and how is it different from this?
Well, the other products that are out there have they make the medicine label larger, so it's like magnifying it, but they have specific hardware you need, and you can't take it anywhere, and it's really expensive.
So if you were to sell this app, how much would you sell it for?
In order to find the cost for this, we had to go through a few we had to go through the process of design. We found out that we had a total of 23 screens, and we made a flow chart.
We took that flow chart, we had the screens, we typed it all so it looked nice, we gave it to our software developer friend, Mr. Arndt, and he sent it to another software developer who would be able to find out the cost of producing the screens, and we found out that the screens would cost, they would take 228 hours of work to do all the functions. It would cost around $28,000 to produce the app, with top-level technology, top-level development, but we could shoot for a cost around $20,000.
Altogether, with that $20,000 plus marketing and everything, we're looking at $50,000. And we interviewed many seniors, and with that information, we came up with $10 because it would be, the seniors we interviewed were happy with that number, and also we would only need to sell 5,000 copies to break even with our production cost. And there are 20 million seniors in the U.S. potentially misreading medicine labels.
We also entered our project into the Global Innovation Award, but sadly we didn't move that far.
Who else have you shared your presentation with or your idea with?
We shared this with pharmacists, nurses, doctors, and people and our friends and family on Vimeo. We put it up there, and we shared it with our engineering friend, Mr. Arndt.
And Frisbee Senior Center in Des
We also
Plaines.
shared it with every teacher in our school.
So what did you guys find that, what was the most important thing that you guys learned that you didn't know before you started this research?
I learned that seniors, they're more active than we think they are. When we went to Frisbee Senior Center and interviewed the seniors, they said oh, I still water ski, I still do sports, they bowl. So I figured out that they're more active than we actually thought they were.
I was also shocked to see I was shocked to see how many seniors misread medicine labels and how big of a problem it was.
Is there anything else you guys would like us to know about you? Anything you want to tell us? Anything fun? Anything about your project?
Our application has a log feature, and the reason we put that feature in is because after asking the pharmacist, and one of the main ones was pharmacist Jerry Quebec from Heartland Healthcare, he said that it would be very helpful because not only would it show them what they took and not, it would show the doctor if they're taking their medication, if they are taking it, if the dose is working or not, and then the doctor could go off of that. Also, it would save the insurance companies money because there'd be less people in the hospital because they'd be taking the right medication. Hopefully, they'd follow the app. And then there's also less people getting sick because of this application.
And if you're like at the ball game and then you forget your iPad and you said, oh, it's too big, I can't bring it, and you missed your dose, but you take it and the iPad says you missed your dose, you can put a note in there for your doctor to say that I took this at whatever time it was and I remembered it.
And also, our app has a multiple user feature. So if there's two seniors living together and they both need our application, they don't have to have two iPads. They can share it by having a multiple user feature, and they can change the color of the words if they cannot see black and white.
And the reason that we chose a QR code over different types, such as RFIDs and barcodes, barcodes, they can only hold a maximum of 20 characters, and that's not enough. That's not enough space to put all of the medicine information. And the reason we didn't choose RFIDs is because RFIDs required external hardware. They were easy to be tampered with, and most smart devices are not RFID capable. And the QR code has 7,000 characters of data, and to scan it, you need a camera.
And we also learned that if non-prescription medication that you're taking over the counter, it's illegal for the pharmacist to tamper the label so they can't put the QR code on. But we have a thing where if you go on our website, you can type in your medicine information and print out your own QR code to put on the medicine label.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you.
Thank you for your time.
Have a great time. Good luck. Have fun.
Thank you. You too.